And all you're going to do is just wipe it down, just like that. What's going on, Daytona fans? We're going to make a real quick video here about this start-stop button. I recently purchased a yellow RT overlay for it, so it'll go over like that. Alright, so first things first, you're going to have to get some rubbing alcohol. Really, any percentage will work. All you want to do is clean up the start-stop button because you press it all the time. So you want to get all the oils off. That way the sticker can stick a little bit better. Now, I put on a little rubbing alcohol on a tissue. And all you're going to do is just wipe it down, just like that. You don't have to press really hard. You know, the alcohol is going to do the job. As you can see, it's a little bit wet from it. And we're going to let it dry and wipe off all the extra stuff around it. That way nothing is in between the sticker and the start-stop button. Alright, now that's all cleaned, or as best as I can. We have that sticker, RT sticker right here. I'm going to put it in facing this way. Just like that. You can move it around a little bit, it's not a big deal. And then just press it into place. Now, as you can see, it still says off, and that's because my keys are over there on the table there. I don't know if you can see, it's right next to that green bucket. But you want to have your key away because you're going to want to press down on it and keep it there for about, 30 seconds to a minute. That way the sticky will really get to stay in its place. Obviously, the colder the weather, the less likely it'll stick, but it's about 50 something today, and that's not too bad. So every time I press it, it'll always just say off, and I won't be starting the car randomly. So I'm going to give it just a quick press, and that's it. I think it's pretty good looking. It goes with the yellow stitching that's on the door and on the seats. Just a little touch. And if you're wondering where I picked this up, High Octane Hemi has a link there. He's being sponsored by these guys. I picked it up for about $7.65 shipped to my house. Whether you think that's a reasonable price or not, that's up to you, but I thought it was a nice little purchase. So that's it. It's a real quick install. Clean up the start-stop button, let it dry up, and then just put the sticker on. And that's it. And just, basically hope it stays on. I don't know if it will. I don't see any reason why it wouldn't, but if it falls off, I'll probably know about it because it won't be on. Huh? Alright, Daytona fans, that's it for this quick video. If you're interested in these little overlay buttons, I'll leave a link in the description below, and I'll leave the coupon code that you can use. That way you can support our Mopar brother, High Octane Hemi. Every time you purchase something like this from that site using his code, the website will know that basically we came through him and we're supporting him. So definitely use the code. Let the site know that you support High Octane Hemi if you do decide to buy something like this. Alright, Daytona fans, that's it for this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and definitely hit the like button. Let's start a conversation down low. Is this something you would do, or are you looking for something different? I think I'm going to try to pick up some more pieces for the interior, but not right now. I've got plans for other things going on, and I need to save up money for that first. Alright, Daytona fans, that's it for this video. Have a great day. Peace. Peace.